Good morning, it's 3:10. We're getting ready to go fishing for some steelhead today. We'll catch them today. So we got our two rods in here, tackle box. The other two waiting to put their gear in the truck, and we are waiting for Lewis to show up eventually. It's currently 4 o'clock. We are heading out. RJ's looking for his wallet, and we're not quite sure on where Lewis is. He's not here, so we're heading out, and we'll see if he catches up later. Okay, so it's 4:15. We're on the highway, well, not on a highway, heading out. We lost the wallet, found the wallet. Lewis never showed up, and I guess we're off to the games. Hey guys, it's we're here. We made it. It is pitch black outside. We're getting everything ready. Got the flashlights rolling. It's 6 o'clock, so we got 20 minutes or so till we can start technically, but probably won't start till it gets a little lighter. Drive over was whack. Yeah, we're getting started. So literally nothing happened. All the boats came in and took up all the bank space, and so we're gonna move on. Charter boats. Okay, so we're at the dam hole at the Trask River. A lot less people. It's looking good. Yeah. Guys, no fish yet. We're working our way down the Trass. Found a little slower area. Hopefully this will produce some fish, unlike the other spots today. Well, today sucked. We're on our way out. Didn't catch anything.
Oh my god, are you actually gonna post it?
And I'm probably gonna end up posting this just to work on editing. There's RJ.
Hey.
And yeah, so
Dude, that
was a terrible day.